Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to IFASTEK hosting. This is our radio station control panel. Now I will be taking you on a little tutorial on how to set up your internet radio station after it has been created for you and you have received your email, you have received our welcome mail with your login details, your username and your password. So all you just need to do is to click on the link that was sent to you, which is this link here. Then you get to this place, then you insert your username and password. So it has opened. Now what we are seeing here, we are seeing the home screen. The home screen, you have listeners, world listeners. By the time you've started your radio stream, any listener that is listening to your radio in the world, you are going to see them in these locations, as in they will be mapped out on this map. So we have track requests. It's going to state this is where you see track requests from your listeners, by the request for a particular track to be played. Then you have statistics, you have top tracks. So we have playlists. Playlist this is where you create new playlist, but there is a default playlist that is here. This default playlist, any music or any, so this playlist are mostly general rotations. Now, for you to add a file here, you can just click on add files. Now, general rotation is, it means when nothing is scheduled, play. That's the meaning of general rotation. So that particular playlist is a general rotation that plays whenever nothing is being scheduled to play. So, and in most cases they are musicals. So can click on, I do encourage that you create subfolders. This is the folder, this is the main folder for your general rotation playlist. So you can create subfolders so that you can say, okay, this one is worship. So in this worship directory, okay, click on the worship directory. This is where we now add the files you want to add. You can drag and drop, but in most cases, sorry, I would prefer that you use um FileZilla. FileZilla is a free software that you can use You can download it from Google, and because if you are to use this uploader, it can only upload just one particular track at a time. So if you upload this, take it on top, then you click on upload for it to upload that very music. So let's see FileZilla on how to get FileZilla working. So you go to settings, you scroll down, you see change FTP password. Click on it, then you change the password. After that, you come to FileZilla, you put in your host. Host is ifastek.com. Host is ifastekpanel.com. Put in your username, put in your password. Port 21 is for FTP. So put in port 21 there. Then you click connect. So that's connected. This is your this side is your computer side, while this side is your remote side, as in your control panel files. So this folder is the folder that this is the folder that general rotation is looking at. So for open here now, we'll find our worship that we created, worship folder. Open here, you see the files we have uploaded already. So I will just drag the rest files inside here. Anyone that is already there is going to tell me to either overwrite it or I should skip them. So dragging them down. Alright, overwrite. So I'm skipping anyone that is already there. So it's uploading these ones. Finish uploading them. So, but right now, if you come to this playlist has started playing. It has collected those files to itself. So it's playing them now. So these are general rotations. And you can create new playlists. So we'll come to that. So let me just show you the various features of the control panel first before we proceed to any other thing. We have schedule. These are schedules that you can place and time it and say, I want this particular thing to be played every Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday at this particular time. When it's that time and in that day, the way your radio station will pick up that particular schedule file and it's going to play it. and it's going to end the time you want it to end. Okay, so we have DJs. DJ account is the account that is do play whatsoever thing that will be played. This one is auto DJ. Auto DJ is the one that is in charge of all these playlists and schedules. Such that auto DJ is the one that do pick those things and do play them. So and it does not go off. It plays 247. So this is auto DJ. So if you want to stream live, doing your own live streaming, you have to create a new DJ account for you to do your live streaming. Because without your DJ account, you cannot stream live. When you are streaming live, auto DJ will not stop for you to stream live. So it is called relay. We use relays to, let's say you want to relay a program from another radio station, you add relay and relay it. So it's going to be streaming what that radio station is playing at that particular time. So we have jingles. Jingles are for adverts. When you want to do adverts, you use jingles to do the adverts. We are going to practicalize all these things from one to the other. So I'm just giving you an overview right now. So we have settings. So the settings here, they are very comprehensive. You will be able to understand what he's saying because they are all self-explanatory. Yeah. So you do the settings. Then we have widgets. Under widgets, we have quick links. Quick links, this is where you get your player, different kind of players for different kind of purpose. This is for the web player. Then we have your link, stream link that you can give to a programmer to create a web app for you. So if you click on this now, let me right click on it to open a new tab. You click on play, you are going to start hearing the station playing what we have uploaded. These are auto DJ features. You have FTP here. Then next thing is you have players. This is where you can customize a player code that you want to embed on the website. So these are the codes. These are the codes. Just right, highlight all and copy, paste it in any web page. Your radio station will be there playing. And this is where you customize the player, type of player. You want mini version, high version. So we have stream status widget. These are the status of your stream that you can place on your website also. If you place this code, these are the things that will be displayed here. Current track widget. This is the widget for the current track that is playing. So you can see this is the current track that is playing right now on this radio station. Visual album showing here. Your listeners can click on thumbs up or thumbs down about that to vote for it. Tracks request, this is where your listeners can request for a particular track that they want you to play for them. So message widgets is where listeners can send you message. This code will be placed on your website if you want this particular feature. You do according to as it is written here. So now Let's move over to the main thing. We have schedule. On the schedule here, if you want to create a schedule, you click on new events, new events, you type the name of the schedule. Now, if you type name of schedule finish, after typing the name of schedule, if you check here very well, you see it's asking select playlist and you are seeing all music. This all music is that general rotation that we talked about. So if you are any playlist you are placing, clicking here that you should pick from, is going to pick all music, all MP3 files that are inside that particular playlist. So first of all, go and create a playlist for the schedule. So create the playlist from here. You can call this one messages. So you click on playlist. If you click on this shuffle here, it means you should shuffle the files that are inside that particular playlist. So click on playlist, create playlist. So it has finished creating it. It's called messages. So we can add files to it. But like I said earlier on, now in this place we can create a new folder, subfolder. Also, we can call it messages so that when we're adding our messages, we'll know where we added them to. So we can go back to the FileZilla based on the fact that it's faster in terms of uploading of files. So click on this server here, open the message directory, then you can now come here and just drag and drop this here. So it's uploading. So we are done with the uploading. So we can find that here if we refresh. So I've add alright, I have it here. So you can click on this. So whatsoever theme, these are the panel works. Whatsoever theme that is inside this folder, messages, they are all going to be played by that particular playlist that we created called messages. So you can click add selected files to playlist. So it's there already. So can I go back to schedule and click new events? Can type say say let's call it message. How often do you want it to repeat itself? Is it just once? If it's once, put the start date when it should start and the time that you want it to start. You put it there. Then click on add event. Then, but if it's not that you want it to repeat, you can choose the choose the days you want it to repeat itself. Put the time that you want it to play. in this start time. Then you can select playlist. You see the all music here. You see messages here. You can click on messages. Once from start to end or circular. Where how do you want it to be interrupted? From start to end. When finished, start what? When finished, start all music. That means when this program finishes, start the general rotation again. So on this, you can see it's asking, do you want to interrupt the playing track? That means if there's a particular track playing at that particular time, which is the musical, you want to interrupt it with the message. Do you want jingles to be played during the message? Like I explained earlier on, jingles are jingles. You want song requests to be played to locate the exact schedule that you that is meant for. This is 50 or 49. When it gets to 49, this is the time that you do look at. Yeah, you seeing the time? The server time. So when you do get to 49, it plays 49 minutes. I set it on. So look at it here. I said Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right. So it plays at that particular time. So I set it. Wow. I want to set it in the morning, which is okay. No, sorry to say, it's 11 p.m. From 11 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. So it has located the time frame between. It has located the time frame of the file that is there already now. So that's the calculation I did here. That means this thing will play from this time to this time, right? So I'm good to go. Then there's something I want to make mention of is on this playlist, on this general rotation. Now you have to you have to go and remove these messages from that particular general rotation. So let me just explain better of what I'm trying to say. On the radio station right now, the Pastor Chris message I uploaded that should be played at that particular time, the general rotation have picked it up and started playing it before that message is even picking it up. So it means that anything that you add to that tree where that general rotation is going to pick it up also. So what we'll do is this, because if you come here now and click play, you will start hearing what the station is playing now. Tangibility. Yeah, right. It's playing Pastor Chris. Inside. You know it. It's the general rotation that is picking this now. Evidence, proof. So you can't have faith without knowing that you. So the best thing right now is to do as though you want to add a particular music or something to the playlist. It will bring you here. So after bringing you here, you can just remove that particular schedule. Right, it has gone. Then you can remove any duplicate file you are finding here. Remove them. So on this place, you can change the album art of the particular artist of any of the music file that you're having. So go back to playlist. You can click on this play again. Okay. I think the best thing is to stop server and start server. So that's what is playing now. It's playing now. So now we go to jingles. Like I said earlier on, jingles are what they are called, jingles. So if you have a short jingles you want to play, you can first of all go to the file. The file list of jingle is far different from the file list directory of the best way is to use FileZilla to upload your jingle files also. So if you come to FileZilla, you see jingles. Click on jingles to open this. Okay, let me just open it from this tree for you. Open jingles. You see server one, which is this one here, and that's this one that you are seeing in this place. So you can just open this server one from the jingle. Then we can add a jingle to it. So it's uploading right now. So Faisala has done the work by uploading the file for us. So we can just refresh this page and we'll find the file there. It's showing processing, meaning that it's not yet available. So in a few minutes, the file will be available for use. So the file is available now. So what we'll do is this: we'll click on jingles, then we'll click add jingle. You can see it's showing random jingle. That means pick any one of the files inside that particular folder for jingle, or click on the exact one. So play this particular exact one I've choose. Is it hourly do you want it, or daily you want it, or between tracks? If it's between tracks, you say after every 5 track, or blah blah blah. So you can see this, you can see all of them here, they are self-explanatory. So if you see hourly, you put the hour time there. Then rotation starts when you have to put the time, date when you want the jingle to start, then when you want it to end also. So that's it for the jingle. Then you click on add at the end of it. You can just say this 26. So it's active. So you click on add. That is our jingle. It will play according to the way it was set up. So I think that's all for the explanation of the control panel and how it works. Then we do have statistics. If you scroll down, you will find what we call all channels of this radio station. What the channel does is this: even if you create a new channel, it will be playing the same thing. But what the channel does is this: let's say this is a high quality bit rate. Its encoding is in 128 kilobytes per second. So this is high quality. So, but there are some persons that you would like to broadcast low quality to. So you can click on add channel to create a new channel. You put in the bit rate that you want that channel to carry. You can put in 32 kilobytes per second. Then you put in the number of listeners you want it to carry. Mind you, you cannot create anything above what you paid for. So if the former channel is having 500 listeners and your total listeners is 1,000, that means this one should also be 500 listeners. You cannot go and put 1,000 listeners to not work. Then you put the server type. We have icecast cache, we have shortcast up to from 2.5, from 1 to 2.6. So what's there is this shoutcast does not support HTTPS stream. If you check this very well, you can see it does not support. It only supports it on premium, and which is you have to go and get premium license for shoutcast for you to stream HTTPS. And the disadvantage of this shoutcast right now is based on many some browsers does not allow non-HTTPS link. So if you embed the code on a website, it will not play because it's having a mixed content. So it's best to use Icecast and see the channel supports HTTPS protocol. So you are streaming either in MP3, AAC, FLAC, depends on you. So I have advanced. You can use Prosy, enable Prosy. The Prosy is when some people are behind firewall and you want to use this Prosy for them to be able to listen to your radio station. So that's that. Then we have YouTube here. If you want to stream live to YouTube, you can only stream live to YouTube if you have the package that can stream live to YouTube. So all you need to do is go to your YouTube channel, click on broadcast. When you click on that broadcast, the server URL, make sure that the when you click on that broadcast, you click on you want to broadcast from a URL that YouTube will give to you, copy it and paste it here. I'm pasting it here. The stream key YouTube will give to you. You paste it here also. Then you click on enabled. Then you click on add. That is when you want to stream live. But right now you are adding channel. So you have to ignore this. So just click on add channel. So it's here now. You now have two channels. One is 32 kilobyte per second. The other is 128 kilobyte per second. So they have their various player code. You can see web player of this one is going to be low. The quality is low. So each one of them have their own player code. So as it is right now, we have stats. These stats you are seeing here will show the stats. Okay, let me just go to this other one. These stats you are seeing here, you put in your username and password. So these are the statistics that you can use, monthly statistics or weekly statistics. So you can browse through each one of them for that particular channel. So now if you want to stream live to YouTube or Facebook, you click on that edit button. So as you click on that edit button, you put in the stream key and the server URL. click on enabled and you click on edit. So it's going to enable it. So same for VK. So after enabling it, the Facebook or the YouTube you are streaming to will capture the sound that is coming out from your server. So it's going to place it there and start streaming it live to your Facebook audience or your YouTube audience. So I think we have come to the end of this brief tutorial. You have a nice day ahead.